Most people hate going to the mechanic. Every time they go, they feel like they're charged way too much. And sometimes it feels like the mechanic shop absolutely robs you. One of the worst parts of going to the mechanic is when you have to replace your old car battery with a new overpriced battery. But luckily, there's now a way to revive old used car batteries. So instead of buying a new car battery, you can now recondition and reuse your old battery instead. This also works with power tool batteries, other types of lead acid batteries, laptop and cell phone batteries, plus a whole lot more. This new simple method can save you thousands of dollars through the years on the cost of batteries. So if you want to stop getting ripped off by the mechanic, click the link below now. And if you're ready to start saving thousands of dollars through the years on the cost of batteries, you're going to want to check this out. So go ahead, click the link below now.